Before we do question 8, let's make sure we finished 7c. If our factored form reads 2x plus 7 times x minus 3, then my two solutions would be a negative 7 and a positive 3. So those are my two values. All right. When we were graphing, we saw that some functions are easier to factor and others are easier to complete the square. Let's start with one where the work has been done for us so that we can start seeing some relationships. Consider the function f of x equals x minus 1 squared minus 4 in the equation 0 equals x minus 1 squared minus 4. Let's graph the function. So let's start with our axes. Here's our x-axis, now our y-axis. All right, so this negative 1 is going to push the graph 1 unit to the right, and this negative 4 is going to push it 4 units down. So that's down, that's to the right. So let's graph 1 unit right, 4 units down. There's our 0, 0. Then we go 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 9. So that's going to be right here. And I'm going to go 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 9. Let's drop this down a little bit. Let's graph with the smooth curve. Close enough. Line of symmetry. There's that one right there. Okay, so if we, our line of symmetry is right here at x equals 1, which is the same as this number right here. And our vertex is whatever number is after the negative sign and after the squared right there. So our vertex is at 1, negative 4, which we can see right here at 1, negative 4. And we can go and add that x equals 1 right next to where it says line of symmetry.